going.
Okay, tell me, am I more like the Red Ranger? Green Ranger? Or the Blue Ranger?
You seem like a red to me.
Red?
Or do you want to be green?
I'm asking you! I'll be red,
Okay.
because red is sexy.
Is pink sexy?
Sure can be!
Because apparently I had no choice in being the girl.
No, you're always gonna be the girl. I don't believe this. Whoa, what am I doing here? We're so Power Rangers! I know it's gonna be it. It's Japanese!
Ow, I just hit myself.
I knew it! With my weak controller. Do you think this makes me look girly?
You are a girl.
Oh! I'm like failing this so bad. Okay. I'm okay with this. When are we gonna stop? I knew we were the Power Rangers. It was pretty obvious when we picked the song. There was a picture of them. Oh, we're not the Power Rangers anymore. We're just normal kids. I'm pretty sure that skirt is not for normal kids. You have no idea. She's a schoolgirl, okay? Go dance for me. Why do I have this stupid girl stuff? Cause you're a girl! You're the pink Power Ranger! But I don't want to be the girl! Why do I always have to be the girl? Cause you're a girl. Oh, so what are you then? Oh, you would be shocked if you knew. No! In the middle. I'm doing the wrong knee. Oh, cool! Our Power Ranger vehicle is in the back. A robot. Robot! Oh, what are we doing? I'm pretty sure Power Rangers don't do this. I know Power Rangers don't do this because I am a Power Ranger. Well, how do we really know what Power Rangers do? No, I hate this so much. Keep going. We need to put evil. What is that? Hello. I'm truly a Power Ranger. I'm truly not. But then again, I am the female and they don't do much. I didn't know that Power Rangers would be like... Well, apparently they do. And then there was a... You can turn off the camera this time. How do I do it?